Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your YesStyle app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here into your found apps, click on it. Come to apps list, and there you're looking for YesStyle app. You just click on search. Add here YesStyle. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to this list, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for YesStyle app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.